All right, as you can see, this is the Chat GPT. Let's look at what it's going to do. All right, this is the future of the world. All right, Google is dead. Like with these, there's been a lot of arguments that ChatGPT will displace Google. Why? Because if you go to Google, you want to search for how to, maybe you want to create a landing page, or you're searching for where can you buy something, where can you buy goods in Nigeria. All right, Google will give you a lot of searches, a lot of landing pages and all that. But why I love ChatGPT is because it's going to give you direct answer. You don't need to go around the bush. All right, and now see, look at, and the only thing you need to do is register with the platform. Once you register with the platform, just type in exactly what you want to do. All right, let me take a ChatGPT. Hello, let's see what it's going to say. All right, hello, how can I help you? All right, create landing page for me. Landing page on mini importation in Nigeria. Let's see the response. You see? Look at what it's telling me. Look at. You see? You can see. Google will have to take me into a lot of searches, a lot of landing pages. I'll have to start checking one after the other. All right, but let me be specific. Write description. What is article on mini importation in Nigeria? Let's see what we'll get. See, you can see the way he's writing the result for me. Can you see? This is the future. The world is changing from what it used to be. Look at, a lot of people will be displaced on the norms. If you go to Fiverr, you see a lot of people that are being paid $5,000, $1,000 to write articles. Look at, the Chat GPT has not yet ended. It's still writing the article for me. Like seriously, you can see. Look at the kind of words the article has written for me. Look at. All I need to do is just to paraphrase, to check it. All right. Let me write another thing. What is write a sales page on mini importation in Nigeria. See, come on, friends. Can you see the future? It's high time we started doing these kind of things. All right, this is going to reduce a lot of stress. Like seriously, this will reduce a lot of stress. My God. Alright, welcome back to the channel again, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT, what it's all about and how you can use it. Alright, recent ChatGPT came into the market, and ever since then there's been a lot of shout, there's been a lot of talking. Why? People have been saying ChatGPT will displace Google is dead and all that. Why? Because of the specific functions that it can operate on. Alright, let's say for example you want to Google, alright, and you want to ask for where you can buy shoes in Nigeria. Alright, let us do that. Let's look at the difference. Let's go to Google, where you can buy shoes. Let's look at sales page on mini importation in Nigeria. Let's see what Google will give us. Alright, you can see what Google has brought for us. Google is not specific. It's bringing us a lot of searches, what people has written and all that, So sometimes it might be confusing, all right, as regards what we want, the particular thing we want, all right. But look at ChatGPT. Look at what ChatGPT is going to do. Let's go to ChatGPT and see and look at the difference. Okay, all right. So let's search for the same thing. Sales page. Create sales page on mini importation in Nigeria, and let's look at what see. Can you see the difference? Can you see the vast difference? All right, if it were to be Google would have to start bringing us a lot of things, and sometimes it's going to confuse us and all that. But look at ChatGPT. Look at what it's going to do. It's giving us straight, exactly. With that straight, look at. My God, this is the future. And honestly, look at, it's still writing the article. It used to be, before you start brainstorming and all that, coming out with a lot of ideas, it can be overwhelming. But look at what it has written for us. You see? All right. So how do we get about it? All right. They think how to go about it is just to go to online and search for Chat GPT. All right. Once you search for that, it's going to bring you to this part, Chat GPT. Once you search for that, you can see. All right. Just click on it. All right. Once you click on it, you're going to see this. You click on try Chat GPT. All right. You see, and it's going to bring you here. The reason why it has brought me here is because I've registered with them. All right. But if you've not yet registered, all right, it's not going to bring you to this point. But let me go to Google and show you step by step how that will be done. Let me go to Google so that you can see. Let's try ChatGPT. Oh, let me log out then. Let me log out. You can see I can log out from here. Let me log out. All right. You can see if you've not registered, these are what it's going to bring this to you. This is what you're going to see. And the next thing to do is to click on sign up. All right. Let me click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to ask for your email address and this. All right. And also you can continue with Google. But let me search. Let me put in one email address. Make money online. All right. It's going to ask for verification, traffic light, bam, and verify. All right. You continue. All right. You put in the password you want to use. All right. It's going to bring you here, verify your email, which you then go back to your email. You can see I'm now in my email. You can see OpenAI. Then you click on it. All right, and you see verify email address, and click on verify email address. Loading. Let's see. All right, and it's going to ask your name, make money. You continue. And you're going to ask for your phone number. All right, my phone number, I've used it to register for like 2 stuff. So if I input, it's going to tell me this number has been used for numbers of registration. So it's not going to allow me. So all you need to do is just to put in your phone number and you click on send code via SMS. And once that is done, all right, it's going to take you straight to OpenAI, to ChatGPT, and from there you can start what you want to do. So all you can see from what it says. This is a platform. This is a home page. It says sample, explain quantum computing in simple terms. All right. Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Remember what you just said earlier in the conversation. See, these are just the functions of the ChatGPT. All right. For example, I tested it with coding. There's actually nothing you cannot use this platform to do. All right. Let's search for code hello world. In PHP. See, let's look at what it's going to give to us. See, you can see exactly. All you need to do, instead of you racking your brain, see, look at the function of this thing. Look at the function of this thing. Look at, it's still explaining. Look at, it's still explaining. All right. So just look at that. Ideas on how to start making money on in Nigeria. Let's search for that and see the response. Can you see? You see, this guy this is the future of the world. This is the future of the world. Can you see? It's still giving us search. It's still giving us articles. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Still giving us that. Still giving. Wow, this is also all right. So I think I've been able to tell us what ChatGPT is all about. Just like a search engine. I think the name is being written. The function is being written. Let me see if I can go to the chats. I would have. It's been the function is being written. It's just like an AI, search, like just the alternative of Google. All right. But what I love about ChatGPT is like it's specific compared to Google. All right, and you can see a lot of things I've been able to use the chat to do. All right, I asked a question, create a speech for a quotation earlier on in the beginning of the video, and you can see what it has done. Look at what it did. See, exactly. All right, so that's just what ChatGPT is all right. This is exactly how it can be used. So please, if your first time comes to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and God bless you.